Yeah. Brownie Wendy, almond Wendy, organic dirty syrup, lemon. Wait, no, yeah. Beep, beep. This is how I have to speak because actually I can't say the reason, but those that get it, okay. Yeah. Na 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 na. Na 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 no 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 no. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. What's that song again? And then Elephant Castle, where I grew up. I didn't grow up in there. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Hi. Why? Cocona. Aminos. Mixy. Twisty. Mixy, twisty. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. I could go that one. Hopefully you find me crazy. Yeah. I'm just an ordinary girl. Sometimes I'm crazy. I get bored. I get scared. I feel ignored. I feel happy. I feel silly. I choke on my own words. I have wishes I have dreams. And I still want to believe anything can happen in this world for an ordinary girl like you, like me.